We're starting out by boiling these little bitty small potatoes. What are we cooking tonight, Mama? We're gonna be doing these taters we know.
Maple chipotle, pork chops, and smashed potatoes on the Blackstone. And pumpkin patty.
We don't know.
Pumpkin things.
We're gonna make something up. We might do a pumpkin fried patty.
That's it. A pumpkin.
Is that what
what should we call it? A pumpkin patty? Or that sounds kind of not good.
Pumpkin patty.
Pumpkin. We've discovered that if you
take pumpkin, y'all,
warm it up, just canned pumpkin. Add a little bit of butter. It's almost like a sweet potato. Almost. If you put some brown sugar, it's pretty close to a sweet potato.
It really is. I ain't gonna lie to you, and it's super delicious. So we like it, you know. And some people may not like it, but
he's the one who actually figured it out. He was like, we had leftover pumpkin from something, and he was like, just give me some of that pumpkin, and I'll eat it with whatever we were eating that night. And he discovered it.
I made the discovery. Y'all know what that's from? Stolen credit card.
Yeah. We're gonna make the glaze in here in the little measuring cup, and then we'll put it on the pork chops out on the Blackstone.
Okay.
We melt butter.
We're gonna do it in the microwave now.
Yes.
Fallon likes the microwave. I don't. I'm not a microwave man.
Daddy, they've come a long way with microwaves. They don't harm you.
There was back then. This one, they have come a long way, but this one right here is 40 years old.
Yeah, it
we don't know how old that
is.
thing
It's pretty old.
It's old.
And if you wonder about this mark back here, it's clean, y'all.
Yeah,
this is from where somebody heated up a Chick-fil-A sandwich in there about 6 or 7 years ago.
Throwed it in there.
Right.
Joker wasn't thinking about nothing, just throwed it in there.
Is.
Who is it, baby?
You.
Daddy!
He wasn't thinking that the inside of the wrapper was full line. He just threw it in there in a hurry.
I was
and
probably tired, just got done with work.
We had some little sparks
Eating
happening.
leftovers. And I keep checking in here, but there's nothing in there.
No, there's not.
I gotta get off that. There's nothing in there.
Okay, so we've got the melted butter. We're gonna put in a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, some Chipotle seasoning, about a teaspoon, a little bit of salt. Okay, there's our glaze. It smells good. I'm just gonna drain these potatoes.
This is pumpkin season, everybody. Y'all know it. The first day of fall is already come and gone. It was yesterday.
Right.
It's time to break it out now. If you wasn't jolly, it's time to get jolly.
So you're just gonna put an egg,
I'm
salt
gonna
and
mix
pepper
it.
maybe?
Salt and pepper, cinnamon.
And an egg? Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah. I'll get the cinnamon out.
And we're gonna do some little patties here, y'all.
Pumpkin fritters. Let's call them
Pumpkin fritters coming your way.
Yeah.
Mama, I love how
well,
you-
that might make people think it's like an apple fritter, but pumpkin. That might not be good.
Coach, we're gonna change the name on it again. Hold on, let's think.
Well, we call squash patties. So let's just do pumpkin patties.
Pumpkin patties again, y'all. We're going
back to pumpkin patties.
We're not gonna go with the fritters.
No, but pumpkin fritters would be good. You know, like an apple
Pumpkin
fritter?
fritters would be good, y'all. We're not gonna
Pumpkin fritters, they'll be coming one day
do it.
soon.
Coming soon. Coming soon. Pumpkin fritters. How much, Mama? One little spoon?
Yeah, I think 1 teaspoon. Yeah, that's about a teaspoon.
We're gonna have to hurry, y'all. It's looking like we're
I
fixing to get
know,
some
it's
weather.
getting cloudy.
1 good teaspoon right here, y'all, of this cinnamon. Now I'm gonna shake in a little black pepper, just like this. And I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. And let's see, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of maple syrup in this bad boy. Right here, y'all. Look at this. I got 1 big brown egg going in, y'all. These eggs here are from our chickens, so the shells, they're really easy to crack. That was a big egg. All right, we're ready. What is it, Mama? Is it?
We'll have to cook them inside.
We're going to cook them in here, baby? She went out there to turn the Blackstone on right quick. Let's just give it a chance, you know what I mean? Let's just go out there and chance it. Yeah, that's a good smell, though.
That much rain to do the fire?
You think we should just go ahead and cook it out there, baby? Okay. That's a good smelling candle right there, pretty good. Everybody, I decided I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of ground ginger in this deal here. And I don't know how much, probably 1/4 gonna be, let's just go with about a teaspoon. How about that? I'll just sprinkle just a little bit more. It's stuff like this that changes up your meal. Stuff you don't normally cook. Would you want me to go out there and try to cook the pumpkin things out there right quick? Because they ain't gonna take long to cook. And I could go ahead and smash the potatoes out there. The pork chop's gonna be the longest thing to take. We can cook them right here.
Yeah, that'll be fine. I'll do the pork chops in here and you try to, yeah.
Sometimes when the weather's doing like it's doing right now, you don't know what to do.
Right. Jonah and Sissy did school out here today. They're cleaning up.
We are gonna try our best to cook this right quick before it starts to pour rain on us.
How's it going out there? It's going good. Okay, y'all, these pork chops are loud in here. But this first pan is ready for the glaze, so I'm going to go ahead and brush it on. This smells really good.
There's a little pumpkin mixed in with that, but it's fall. That's what I tell them at the restaurant too. I'd be like, sir, something's wrong. I say it's fall time. You know what I'm saying? Smile, bub. That's pumpkin. I know everybody's probably wanting me to sample the pork chop first, but I'm gonna break it up on you and I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do the pumpkin things first. That's good.
Really?
Oh yeah, I like that. Look at them taters. A little bit of smoked paprika on them, a little bit of bacon bits, sour cream and butter dripping off them things.
Happiness.
Joy just flooded my soul.
Yeah.
Right there. Now for the pork chop. We all know pork chop's good.
Yeah, but it's got the maple chipotle glaze on it.
Oh, this is a different kind of pork
Yeah.
chop. Look at that. Got a good glare to it. More joy.
Yeah.
Mama, that's great. We're gonna stop in Betty's Country Store right quick, y'all, to get something as we ride up the mountain here. Let's try a different drink. Let's try one of these drinks here.
They got a black cherry.
A black cherry. We've never tried that one.
Virgil's black cherry.
Have we ever tried that one? Cane sugar, natural black cherry flavor, handcrafted.
Yeah.
Okay, try that.
Yeah. Oh, I just smelled coffee coming from somewhere. Did you smell that?
Coffee.
Yeah.
We're fixing to try this cherry drink for you.
That's all we got, isn't it?
Black
Besides our
cherry.
Little, we got these little corns for decorating our
Well, we're gonna use that on the inside.
Yeah, we'll put these little ones on. Oh, they're cold. We'll put these little ones on the inside, but we got these big ones for the
hay, you know, the hay
deal
decoration outside.
For George and Martha.
I've never had one of these.
I've seen them before, and I've tried to get that one a couple of times, but nobody else ever wanted to try that one with me.
I've already kind of opened it on the inside just to see if it was a pop top off, you know, where you had to pop it off or twist it off. That tastes just like cheer wine. Actually, I think it's better than a cheer wine.
You know what it's kind of like to me? A cheer wine and Dr. Pepper
You're right.
together.
That's really good.
That's good. Virgil's black cherry soda.
That is really good,
Really
y'all.
good. It's priced as marked. Let's see if it's Moss approved up in here. Yup, it's Moss approved. What about these t-shirts right here? Cinch denim.
They're really cheap, Mom.
Yeah, $10, I think.
Yeah, that's cheap.
Do you think Tyler would like that one?
Yeah.
Those are good deals, y'all. What's like normal price on those t-shirts is about $30, and some of them were marked down to $10. We came in here to get horseshoeing supplies,
And we looked at the clearance rack.
and now we're over here at the blue
Jeans. I normally order all my stuff from Amarillo, but I'm running a little bit low, and this Western store here actually carries a lot of the stuff that I use. Not everything I use, but a good bit of the stuff that I use. So.
We saw this little produce stand. We're gonna see what they got going on. Lots and lots of pumpkins. Oh, they have yellow pumpkins. I also like these darker orange ones right here too. See those?
Yeah, like that one.
Yeah, I like that one, and I love the yellow ones. That is pretty. Look at that white one there.
Hey there. How y'all? Pretty good. How y'all doing? Hold on 1 second. That's the new one they came out with last year.
Yeah, really pretty.
There you go.
Y'all too? This is the secret spot.
We love this little spot.
I think these muscadines are gonna be good. They are ready.
Oh, they're ready. These are.
Yes. I got some from Aldi a few weeks ago that weren't ready. I ate the peeling, he doesn't eat the peeling.
I don't eat the peeling nor the seeds.
I don't eat the seeds.
But do y'all eat the peeling or not? I've always loved muscadines my whole life.
Really? Mm-hmm. I like the purple ones better than the green. Or some people call them white, but well, actually, these are called muscadines. The green ones are called scumpernongs. I got scumpernong preserves at the house from the farmer's market. That's why it's white, and the muscadine jelly or muscadine preserves is purple.
I did not know that, y'all.
One thing about these things, though, if you've been
Backed up,
yeah,
it's gonna open the gate, Jack.
so don't get too excited and eat too many of them.
Like, man, give me a whole bag of them things. Be like, what? You ain't going nowhere tomorrow, sister. We've told y'all about this beef jerky. We love this beef jerky right here. Last but not least, y'all, Lord have mercy,
Mud pies.
we love these.
This one's just peanut butter. George, Martha, we got some corn to put out here with you. They're excited. How does a dinosaur say goodnight? When Papa comes in to turn off the light.